have taken 5 books from British Council Library. We are going to briefly discuss about all the 5 books. The first books I have IELTS Common Mistake. Very thin book, particularly it has more emphasis on grammar and things like this. The title of the book is Fewer Mistake, Better Result. Right? For example, I'm just quoting from here, page number 51, and I think women can do all kind of jobs, right? And what is the mistake in this one is that we can alternatively write women responded better to jobs, right? Like this, there is a nice way of learning the grammar and what is noun, adjectives, and when to use pronouns, and all that is being given much in detail. I will be discussing about from this book some aspect of grammar in future video. Next one is also happen to be from the IELTS. This is also for IELTS, International English Language Training System. This is also for IELTS student. This is mainly for medical, right? Take any topic. For example, let's say if you talk about this one, cardio, right? Cardiovascular. What are the terms can be associated with the cardiovascular? Similarly, neurological. So again, different terms, what you might have to use it from the medical perspective is being given there, right? And again, from the respiratory and all that, it is given there. So I'm excited to use some of the terms and we will learn together in future video sessions. So this is also a nice book called Medical IELTS, a workbook for international doctors and candidates. The next book I have, Nature. This book I take it only because to learn the graph plots and visuals and all that. And there is a discussion about MATLAB by artificial intelligence. And also we can also give us any research. If you wanted to publish, you can also publish it. Okay. Let's talk briefly about this particular book. This particular book has a wonderful detail. Everything has been explained through the graph. You can see here the chemical bonding and all that, how it has been explained. And every chapter, every research, every detail has been explained with something beautiful graph so that anybody can easily follow it. Let me show you some of the graph. For example, you can see here box plot you will find and various other charts you will find it. So what author has done it is that in all the detail with the help of data, how it is being portrayed in the plots. That plots we can easily interpret, contemplate the message much easy, right? More of a medical is there, more of the research things are there in this particular one. For example, the science behind therapy, and you can find it like what are the different subject about the career and all that is there. So this is wonderful book. So I always take this book, and this magazine is Computer Active, right? This month discussion is all about Teach Google for Brave, right? Some of the techniques like and how we can keep the browser, how we can protect our phone, and there is a discussion about the router and so on and so forth, right? Smartphones, best free software. There is a discussion about best free softwares and so on and so forth. In future, I'll be taking it some discussion from here and how we can install and uninstall and which software is the best, and some browser tips. So you can see here there is a window tips, browser tips, and all that you will find it in this particular magazine. So Computer Active, this is the edition for last month, and I will be making more content from this very book. And the next one is the New Scientist. This is also yet another interesting book, and every month there is a discussion about one topic and great details you can find it. So the discussion for this month is the end of obesity, right? And again, once again, this is appealing great. So you will find the content has been given superbly. And for example, I'll just quickly show you. This is the heading, so appropriate headings. Overview, overweight, BMI may not be so bad, right? Again, there is a discussion about what is BMI and how to calculate, and for example, in this case, BMI is not a good indicator of mortality risk, and other factors such as body fat distribution will play a role, right? Again, there is lot many studies. Are the kids all right in IRL? Again, there is a discussion about IRL and blue rays and so on and so forth, right? So again, there is everything about the environment, science and medical and so on and so forth. I'm excited to pick one topic from this very magazine and cover in future videos. So this is the 5 book. This of one is New Scientist, the other one is the Computer Active, the other one which we talked about the Nature, and the other two relating to IELTS. So one is medical IELTS and then IELTS common mistakes. So please stay tuned for more detailed video and you will learn more from these very books as well. So thank you so much. Please do like, share, subscribe to my channel. You have a wonderful